guys, today I decided to draw a lighthouse again, and I want to show you in a little simple way. So first I'm starting with simple lines. They're just like a scribbling, just a simple lines which are just a really searching lines for the composition and for the proportions. And when I kind of happy about my proportions, I start to make much stronger lines, cleaner lines. Don't laugh about there's no clean in this sketch, but that's a sketch and it's always searching lines and it's a loose sketch, so there shouldn't be clean. But my point is I am looking for the lines which are more accurate for that shapes which I am drawing. For example, in this case you see these windows and they have that specific amount of glasses, and now I am drawing the specific parts of the lighthouse. So this is what I mean. After the scribble and searching lines, I am doing more accurate lines. Also, I am really watching for the thickness of the line, because the thickness gives such a little bit more like a flavor to the sketch and makes it more alive. So you see, sometimes I can use like the whole thickness of my parallel pen, and it's really cool because it saves my time, and also it gives some kind of character for that windows. And also again, the thickness of the line gives a lot of characters to the drawing, to the subject of my drawing. So now you see I am actively using the thickness and ability of the parallel pen, which is really cool because you can really play around with this thickness and you can use it as you want. And this what makes loose painting, a loose sketch, as a loose sketch. So I'm continuing drawing with the same playing with the thickness of this parallel pen, and I'm almost done. I just maybe a couple more touches, and then I will start to do a color. Yeah, I add some shadows, and while not colors yet, I still can use my black and white drawing, like ink, for the shades and to make it more three-dimensional. Even before the color, I can already make it looks more three-dimensional using my thickness of the line and using this parallel pen. Now my lines are getting more confident. My hand looks more stronger with these lines because I do see really where is everything, where it goes. I'm not searching anymore. I am confident in my places and where I put every of my line. So we are going from the big shapes to really small till we're confident, till we know what exactly we done and what exactly we still should work on, little details. And of course you always have to have your signature. And now we're starting our color with my Copics markers. And again, since this is a loose sketching, I would not use the sloppiness, but there is some kind of sloppiness in my gestures while I'm applying these colors, because it's a loose sketch, and if I will colorize like every details like a children in kindergarten, I wouldn't be alive. It would be like a dry and unhappy sketch. But we already started the sketch with the happy lines, with happy tasteful lines with flavor of our loose sketching, and I want to continue in the same manner with the Copics to just continue the same mood for my sketch. So I'm trying here and there the color, and some of the colors you see I'm using in several places. That's because the reflection might just get it here and there just the same, and also to make it the whole sketch more cohesive. And I think we're done. Thanks a lot for watching, and come back soon again.